guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jenner. For those new, thank you guys for tuning in. Today, guys, I know most of you guys already saw the reveal. May 5th, they're calling it Camry de Mayo. You know, today is Cinco de Mayo, and they're making the new Camry came out for Nascar. You know, TRD, based on the TRD. I got some pictures, guys. I'm gonna show you guys. It's just, it looks crazy. It looks amazing. You know, it's just literally like a boost for Toyota. You know, this Nascar, and hopefully this motivates Toyota to make just to upgrade I guess the Camry, you know, engine wise, I guess you can say. I mean, we're all hoping for that, you know, the two-door Camry, you know, why not? Shit. All right, guys, you got some pictures, check them out. So right here, guys, you see the side by side with the TRD. It's crazy. They did kept the XC headlights though, which obviously that makes the Camry look way much better, hands down. They did the red trim on the front, which looks amazing. The hood, of course, you know, they gotta have the TRD emblem there, and just the racer hood, you know, crazy. The lip kit, obviously, you have to see that. Now on the side by side, you can see the side skirts and everything. You know, the sport tires, you know, the Camry leather. Of course, you need to have the Camry, the red, you know, stripes there on the side. Crazy. What I love is like the exhaust. I don't know if you guys seen the video. Actually shoots from the side, so definitely a NASCAR car, you know, hands down. Crazy the two-door though. On the front, once again, decided to keep it just like the regular Camry, but it looks aggressive, you know. Kind of wish the TRD was with the headlight, with the XC headlights, would have been real nice. But just the hooded props, everything looks amazing. I wonder who's gonna have that hood modified to look like this. I really, you know, want to see this. You see the side skirts, you see the rear diffuser too on the back. The spoiler looks amazing. I think that spoiler really does good. We'll see. Maybe I might do a spoiler like this. Maybe. Who wants to see this on the Camry that I have? Maybe a little crazy spoiler like that. And the side skirts too. You know, the exhaust, the way it looks. The rear looks boxier. Looks good. Looks clean. I don't know if that diffuser is actually, yeah. Crazy ass diffuser too, guys. You got the Toyota, you get the TRD emblem on the back too, representing the Toyota emblem and the Camry emblem, of course. You gotta represent that. But that spoiler is killing it, guys. Let me know what you think down below. You guys comment down below. Alright, fam, you guys seen it here. You guys seen it on Toyota page. Crazy how the new Camry looks. Just the exhaust. I was wanting to have my exhaust on the sides. You know, it's crazy. This one's Nascar built. You know, proper build and proper, you know, everything aerodynamics. So I mean, it's not just something put on. And you know, the hood, I want to see who's gonna make that hood like that, because there's definitely gonna be someone out there who's gonna make the hood like that or the spoiler like that. Now I got a friend out there who does spoilers for the Chargers, you know, mostly focusing on the Chargers and Challengers. It's similar design. I have to hit him up and maybe talk about something like that, you know, and just shoot it out there and see how it looks, you know. I mean, definitely right there, it looks sick, you know. What I do see is on the rear, just the way it goes down. It's not like our type of Camrys, you know. If the you know, pretty much the rear is kind of like lifted. This one's kind of like flat, so you know that spoiler really does look good on him. The diffuser looks amazing, and I mean it's crazy. I mean definitely the tires. We can even talk about the tires, you know, proper for the racing. The front, you know, and pretty much just the body kit in general, you know, TRD, you know, Inspire. It's crazy. It looks really clean. Big shout out for Toyota for making a car like that. I mean, it ain't it's just funny because, you know, I know you guys heard this from all over. This ain't a Gramps car anymore, you know. It ain't an old car anymore. It's definitely like a youngster car now. Camry, you know, nation's growing out there. The modifications and just the people in general, you know. There's a lot of modifications are already out there for everybody, you know, a lot of exhaust systems, you know, wheels, likewise, I mean, body kits, you know, bumpers, rear diffusers and stuff, you know, spoilers nowadays too, you know. So if you guys enjoy the video, leave your comment down below. See if you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my video, guys. Like always, fam, stay sexy out there. Until next time.